After the installation, let's see how it works. We also need to confirm the voltage before power on. It's 110 or 220. Your power supply voltage should be the same as the machine. Okay, we insert the function of the buttons on this panel. Pause the video to watch. Now we power on it. It came to standby. This is where the powder is stored. The fan blade will spin and let the powder fall. Okay, next. This fan blade is used to shake the material and remove excess powder. This is oven to heat the powder. There is a row of heating pipes. Okay. Here is collecting raw material. And on the powder switch, adjust the speed. You can adjust its speed according to your needs. If it's a double head printer, it can be relatively fast. Open shaker, adjust the speed, and generally this speed is kept a high speed to ensure that the powder outside the image is removed cleanly. Open the oven. Set the temperature to the target. Waiting for the temperature to reach the target. Now we turn the switch off. Let's see how to install the material. Install empty tubes on the take-up rail. Tighten the screws to fix the position. For the first time installation, pull the material forward. Get more. Then push them through the powder machine. Tape it to the old material, tape it directly to the empty tubes. Make a little tighten here. Then move the position of the machine to center the material. Okay, then we observe the distance from the printer to the powder machine. During printing, The metal of the material inlet should not scratch the material. Press the material in the middle part and adjust the distance, not too close or too far.
我进了啊，就放那。
After adjustment, fix the position. Okay, we go next step.